Definition of pie chart. A pie chart is a type of a chart that visually displays data in a circular graph. It is one of the most commonly used graphs to represent data using the attributes of circle, spheres, and angular data to represent real-world information. The shape of the pie chart is circular, where the pie represents the whole data and the slice out of the pie represent the charts of the data and records it discretely. Para mas maunawaan natin ang pie chart, it is a type of graph na nakakabilog which contains 100% of total. So basically, nahahati siya into pieces or pies depende sa laki or liit ng information na nag-gathered.
Pie chart. A pie chart is a type of graph that records data in a circular manner that is further divided into sectors of representing the data of the particular each out of the whole part. Each of these sectors or slices represent the proportionate part of the whole. Pie charts, also commonly known as a pie diagrams, help in interpreting and representing the data more clearly. It also used to compare the given data.
Usage of a pie chart. Whenever some data has to be represented visually as a fractional part of a whole, we use pie chart. It is used to compare the data and see why one is smaller or greater than the other. Therefore, when we are dealing with a limited number of packet and discrete data set, it's better to use a pie chart. List below are a few uses of a pie chart.
In a business, it is used to compare the growth areas such as profit and loss. In school, pie charts are used to show the time allotted to each section and the grades of students in a form of percentage. Pie charts are used in comparing relative size of data of the people owning the same vehicles or similar houses. And lastly, pie charts are used to represent the marketing and sales data for the comparison of brands.
Example number 1. To calculate the percentage of the given data, we use the formula frequency divided by total frequency times 100. To convert the data into degrees, we use the formula given data divided by total value of data times 360 degrees. Let us understand the above steps using an example. Observe the following pie chart that represents the money spent by Anna at the fun fair. The indicated color shows the amount spent on each category. The total value of the data is 20, and the amount spent on each category is interpreted as follows. Ice cream is 4, toffees is 4, popcorn is 2, rides is 10. Now, let us convert the above data into a percentage. Amount spent on rides, 10 divided by 20 times 100 is equals to 50%. Amount spent on toffees, 4 divided by 20 times 100 is equals to 20%. Amount spent on popcorn, 2 divided by 20 times 100 is equals to 10%. Amount spent on ice cream is 4 divided by 20 times 100 is equals to 20%.
Now let's proceed to another example. The pie chart recommends a low-carb diet on a day. We measure the angles of each slice. We get that protein measures 180 degrees, carb measures 108 degrees, and fat measures 72 degrees. To find the percentage, we divide each angle by 360 and multiply it by 100. So, kailangan lang natin i-divide sa 360 yung angle and multiplied by 100. So, protein is equal to 180 divided by 360 times 100 is equal to 50%. Carb is 108 divided by 360 times 100 is equal to 30%. Fats is 72 divided by 360 times 100 is equal to 20%.